Hi, Shaylin with WTI, and I want to show you the coolest little travel toiletry bag.
BAGSMART Toiletry Hanging Travel Makeup Bag is the coolest thing. Here you can see I had it hanging in a hotel room lately, and I love that I'm able to just hang it and it's not taking up extra space. It also does come with this TSA-approved transparent cosmetic bag. So it's all overall just a neat design, doesn't take up too much space. I love that it kind of has a little zipper or pouch for everything you need. This front little pocket, super cool, holds brushes if you need for makeup or anything else, and this little clear bag. That's just the front pocket. Once you open it up, man, is there a ton of space. Like I said, there's the clear pouch, but also you're going to have just tons of room to open up and hang. Like I said, hotel room where I had it, but also great for something like a cruise ship where you just really don't have any space. I like to keep a lot of my travel size stuff already packed and ready to go. That way, when I am going to travel, most of it's in there. Of course, I'm definitely going to add to it, but it just has a little nook and cranny for everything. I love this bag, and when it's not in use, you can just close it all back up and store it really nicely. I love that it's got a great little carry handle. Overall, wonderful toiletry bag. I've been so impressed with it.
If you are like me and you have to pack all of your essentials when you're on the go, this is the toiletry bag for you, and that's my point of view.